All right, we are going to do a quick little candlelight video. So let me show you what we do. We've got flashlight right here. So I'll go ahead and show you. So this one right here is actually one of our duds. So if you look, there is not any sign of red. At all. And here, this one is just completely yellow.
Yeah.
So this is one of our unfertilized. And
this one red me.
If you look,
It's tiny red. It's tiny red. Means that tiny red is a dirt sign.
this is a lot easier when I'm using my own phone to candlelight. There we go. I apologize for blinding everybody. See, and if you look right there,
It's red.
right around the line right there,
It's red.
you can see that the embryo, the little quail, is up here.
Oh, that's so awesome. Like the little flowers up there, though. Mom, why did the little flowers up there, though?
There we go. There you can see quite a lot of red in this one.
Hello, the sign.
And if you look right there, there we go. They are getting close. So we have done the last candlelight for these guys. So as of Saturday, they will be on lockdown. This will not open again once Saturday hits. So Friday, I'm going to take the egg tray right here out, which is what helps spin around and rotate them. And I'll take that out and we'll go into lockdown on Saturday. And then we will wait and see over the next couple of days after that how many of these guys hatch. I'm super excited. And if you've been following along, I hope you're enjoying this. Thank you.